Hello, Nvidia enthusiast. With the Q2 report dropping on August 28, 2024, it's time to gear up for a comprehensive analysis. Today, we will be dissecting the key metrics using TradingView Premium that could determine Nvidia's next big move in the market. Whether you are bullish or bearish, stay tuned as we dive into the numbers that truly matter. So, Nvidia is a pivotal point with global economic implication. This Q2 report could set the stage for how Nvidia influences market trends for the rest of the year. Because as you know, this is not only about Nvidia. This is about the broader market also. So let's start by understanding why this report is so crucial. So let's pull up Nvidia's financial statement. So guys, here is the place where magic is happening. You know, it's not about what the manipulator can say around. What really matter are the numbers. And we will begin with revenue growth. Nvidia's ability to outspace the market is crucial, especially when comparing year over year and quarter over quarter figures. We will see how Nvidia stacks up and what this means for future growth. Let's look at the financials. Here, as you can see, we have Nvidia fundamentals. We have the key factor, the market capitalization of the company right now is at $3.09 trillion based on what we have here, the data that we have here right now. So we have the valuation, we have a growth and the profitability, we have a revenue breakdown, you can have the estimate, dividend, and financial health. So right here, let's pull up the statements. Okay, in the statements over here, we have income statement, we have the balance sheet, we have the cash flow. Okay, let's start with the income statement. In the income statement here, we have the total revenue here. At the first line, we have the total revenue. But as you know, profit equals total revenue minus total cost. So this is the total revenue that we are talking about here. If you want to have more data about this total revenue, you just have to look at it here. As they said over here, total revenue, also called sales, is revenue derived from the product or service a company sells. So you can have more insight over here about what this means for the company. Excuse me. So as you can see over here, we have quarter after quarter. Oh, I'm sorry. There is a noise around where I am here, but I will try to do the best I can so you can understand what I'm saying. So as you can see over here at the first line, we have the total revenue from quarter to quarter. And from July 2003, it's been growing. So we have these positive numbers over here. At quarter 2, 2023, we had $13.51 billion. The third quarter 2023, we had $18.12 billion. The fourth quarter 2023, we had $2.10 billion. And the first quarter of 2024, Nvidia generate $26.04 billion. And the guys or friends, look at this number over here. We are around like $79.77 billion time to time as of today. So it's just amazing. So now these are the numbers that we have over here. And now we look at the growth margin. As you can see in the table over here, you can you can see the cost of goods sold. You have that line over here. Many of the number are positive over here. We have gross profit. We have operating expenses. I mean that exclude the cost of goods sold. You have the operating income. You have the pre-tax income. You have taxes, all of those things. And at the end, we have the net income. This is the most important element for us after the total revenue, the net income. The net income over here is year after year, quarter after quarter. Look at this. From April 2023, the first quarter of 2023, we are in positive numbers until the last quarter of the first quarter of 2024 that generate $14.88 billion. Look at these numbers over here. 2.04 in first quarter 2023, second quarter 2003, we have $6.19 billion. And the third quarter 2023, it went up at $9.24 billion. And the fourth quarter 2023, it was $12.29 billion. It went up like 768.81% up. So, and the first quarter of 2024, Nvidia generates $14.88 billion. And as of today, we are talking about $42.60 billion in net income. These are the estimates. This one here is the estimate number, okay? So now, what other element we're gonna look at? Now, let's look at the net income. Okay, we have also another number here, the EBITDA. This one also is very important, to know. The EBITDA is the earning before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. As you can see, these numbers also are positive, since what quarter? Since quarter 2, 2023, they have been growing. So now let's look at the balance sheet of the company. Very important to know. These show you the total asset, the total liability, and the total equity of the company. So as you can see over here, we can we can see that the total debt of the company is $11.24 billion. Net debt is minus $20.20 billion. And these are very important when you are analyzing a company, to have the products of the company, to have the free cash flow of the company, to have the debt of the company, to have the market share of the company. Those are the most important element you have to look at if you are investing in a company. Anything else, don't worry about it. So now, uh, let's look at the cash flow. The cash flow here, we have cash from operating activities. You can see all those numbers here are positive, including the first quarter of 2024. We have $15.35 billion, with an increase of 427.14%. We are estimating here now, the estimate is $40.52 billion from 15.35 to this one. Let's see what's gonna happen, man. So we have the cash from investing activities, okay, and then we have cash from financing activity. And when we do all these calculation over here, we got the free cash flow. Free cash flow, as I said previously, it's very important. As you can see over here, why is free cash flow important? Free cash flow signals a company ability to pay debts and dividends, repurchase shares, and contribute to business growth. This is a crucial for any company to have free cash flow, because with the free cash flow, you can even, you have free cash in your hand. So, you know, uh, what could be Nvidia's roadmap for the future? Here we talk about the guidance. Guidance is where Nvidia tell us what to expect next. So, guys, we have analyzed revenue and the margin forecast. If you do that, you can gauge the company's outlook for the rest of the year, and that's what we are seeing here in this analysis. Okay, look at the forecast here. The forecast, as you can see, the price target, the price target is $142.63. They say the 51 analysts offering 1 year price forecast for Nvidia Corporation have a max estimate of $200 and a minimum estimate of $90, as you can see in this figure over here. Okay, we have the max $200 here, we have the minimum $90 over here. Okay, this is based on TradingView, okay, um, analysis. So the analyst rating based on 61 analysts giving stock rating for Nvidia Corporation in the past 3 months. Look at this, is a strong buy. You can see here strong buy 47, buy 9, hold 5, sell 0, all of those things. So now let's look at here the EPS. Okay, the EPS is a very important metric. We have seen we have analyzed the net income of the company. We have seen how positive is that, how those numbers are really big. And the net income and the EPS, EPS is the earning per share. These two are crucial for shareholders. These numbers give us a clear picture of Nvidia's profitability. As you can see here for the EP, since quarter four, fourth quarter, we've been in positive zone. Okay, the only negative number of the EPS that we have over here was on third quarter 2022, and that was minus 17 point. Okay, so this one here, the EPS help us 76%. Okay, since then we've been in positive number and growing up all the time. So as you can see, let's focus on the first quarter of 2024. Okay, here we have the estimate number and we have the report number. And down here we have the surprise expressed in percentage. So the fourth quarter of 2024, the estimate was 0. It was 46 cent, and the report was 52 cent. And the first quarter of 2024, the estimate was 56 cent, and the report was 61 cent. And now the estimate is 65 cent. Based on the historical track that we have over here, I'm confident that 0.65. The report would be greater than the estimate. So now, as you can see, we have the revenue. Also here, the estimate. We have the estimate for the revenue. It was the first quarter was $24.59 billion, and the report was greater than that. And now the estimate is $28.74 billion, and what could be reported. So, guys, as you can see, friends, great. Nvidia's business performance. And, now throughout this analysis, let's go back to the chart. We are 3:15 p.m. right now over here. Frame. And as you can see here, a safe, because we are above the 200 exponential. This is a good sign. So, as I said, throughout this analysis, we have used TradingView performance indicators. And this powerful tool helps us stay ahead of the market trends. That's what, and you can do it too. And that's it for. And thank you for your patience by focusing on these key metrics. And I think if we continue doing this, we can better understand Nvidia's current and potential move. If this video helped you, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, so you never miss our in-depth analysis. Thanks for watching. Until next time.